Nowadays, turbines are kind of growing in size, and that's something that we all see. But we also place these wind turbines together in clusters, in what we call wind farms. Unfortunately, these wind turbines start to interact through the airflow when you start to place them close together. So there is more turbulence generated, so that leads to more loads. And also upstream turbines already take part of the energy out of the wind, and so downstream turbines don't have that much energy. So you actually have in wind farms two competing objectives. You would like to put a lot of turbines close together, but at some point that starts to hurt you because you have losses, energy is lost, and you have more loads. So if you think about wind farm control, what you try to do is control the turbines, let them interact in some kind of way. And the some kind of way, that's what the research is about, obviously. So you want to let them interact in some kind of way, such that you lose less energy, you have less loading, and so potentially you could bring them closer together and get even denser wind farm layouts. There is obviously various aspects that should be tackled, and there's not maybe one that is more important than the other, but essentially there is the physics that you want to better understand. You need to have faster, better models to represent what's happening. We know already that it's very complex and high dimensional, so you could use a supercomputer to try to get insight, but that's not something that you can use in a real-time setting for control. So next to the physical insight, you need also control models that are fast enough to really do something in your wind farm that you can use there. And then say that you could use wind farm control, that it would exist. The question is, how do you integrate that in your wind farm design? Because I was talking before about the fact that you want to densify maybe the wind farm, get more energy out of the same concession zone, and that is part of an overall design problem. So then you need to integrate these new types of controls into a new type of design of the wind farm. And apart from that, there is the big challenge, and I alluded to that already, of being able to sense, to understand what is the wind inside the farm at every spot or at every relevant location. And for that you need better sensing infrastructure, etc.